My name is Jody and I came from Mason City, Iowa. I'm a retired nurse, became a nurse at 50. Right now I'm mainly a grandma. I think a lot of women probably would agree with me. As we age, we do kind of blend into the woodwork a little bit. We're treated a little bit different. It's a little hurtful sometimes when people treat you older. I think that's just our culture. We're kind of throwaway once we hit a certain age. Still feel like I'm 40 even though I might look like I'm 65. Not looking quite so retired. I really thought when you're 65 you have short hair because, you know, our grandparents, our grandmothers all had short hair. He'll be happy when I get home to see I still have hair.
You knew. I'm sorry.
No, she probably wet her pants. It does feel good to look good.